How to use ChatGPT for coding. So to use it, using ChatGPT for coding can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your programming task. So here's a structure guide on how to effectively use it. Now, first of all, you have to define your task very carefully. Now set a clear goal. Before interacting with ChatGPT, it's essential to define what you want to achieve. This could be creating a specific function, debugging code, or generating boilerplate code. For instance, make a code to find a closet Saturday, right? Create a function that count down the number of days and hours until the next Saturday, right? So you can just use it and it's really work well. For example, as you can see here, I asked ChatGPT code a snake and ladder game in Python, and it did really well, right? So it's really interesting, and you can check this out. For example, I can ask ChatGPT, "Are you sure this code is 100% correct?" And you can see here, and ChatGPT verify itself. Now choose the right programming language. So when requesting code, mention the programming language you want to use. This helps ChatGPT that tailor its response appropriately. For example, you ask, as I told you, I asked ChatGPT to code a snake and ladder game in Python. Right, that's why I did a Python, and Python is a easiest language, so it's pretty good for me. And you have to use the prompts because prompts is the real key, right? So if you do any kind of mistake, for example, start the whenever you start any asking question, act as a technician role. You can specify act as a world's best coder, and then you can write the description how you want your code to be. Now act as a front-end developer, write code to validate a contact form that include name, email address, and messaging, and it will do as a pretty good. So this was an example here, and this is how you can do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.